Imagine getting paid just for watching ads. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, what if I told you that today I'll show you how to make money? Yes, real money, just by watching Google Ads. You could be earning $1.20 for every ad you watch, and it's as easy as browsing the web. In this video, I'll take you through the step-by-step process on how you can start earning today. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you an incredible opportunity where you can make money online with minimal effort just by watching ads. It's a simple way to turn those spare minutes into extra cash. And the best part is that you don't need any special skills, investments, or fancy equipment to get started. Before we dive in, do me a favor. If you're excited about earning easy money online, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video packed with ways to make extra income. Now, let's get right into it. Step 1, Introduction to Swash App. The platform we'll be using today is called the Swash app. This website has already paid over 7 million to users around the world just for watching ads. And yes, you heard that right. People like you and me are making money by simply watching Google Ads online. Whether you're sitting at home on your lunch break or just casually browsing the web, you can earn anywhere from a few cents up to $1.20 per ad. Now, I know you're probably wondering, how does this work? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to break it all down step by step. Step 2, how Swash app works. So here's how it works. The Swash app is an easy-to-use browser extension that displays ads while you're online. All you need to do is install the extension, and every time you see an ad pop up while you're browsing, you earn money. You don't even have to click on the ads, just having them show up earns you cash. Now, how much can you earn? It depends on where you're located. Some countries can earn up to $1.20 per ad, while others might earn slightly less, but the fact remains you're getting paid to do something you already do every day. Surf the web? And the good news? Swash app is available in over 200 countries, so chances are you can start earning right away no matter where you are. In fact, if you're someone who spends a lot of time online, whether that's for work, school, or just casual browsing, you could easily stack up your earnings without changing your daily habits at all. People who use the Swash app consistently have reported making between $30 to $100 per month just for having ads show up while they surf the web. Now, I know that might not sound like life-changing money, but think about it. This is essentially passive income. You don't have to do any extra work to see these ads, and as long as you're online, your earnings will keep growing. Plus, as more advertisers join the platform, the variety of ads you'll see will increase, potentially boosting your earnings even further. The platform operates on data monetization, where advertisers pay for your attention. Essentially, you're already seeing ads all the time, but with Swash, you finally get a piece of the pie. Advertisers pay platforms like Google to display ads, and now you're getting a share of that revenue. As long as you're browsing the web, ads will appear, and you'll keep earning. So whether you're shopping online, watching YouTube, or even reading the news, those little ads that pop up will now be putting money in your pocket. This is what makes Swash such a game changer. It's the future of browsing. Step 3, how to sign up and start earning. Alright, let's get started with the steps you need to follow to start earning. Step 1, head over to swashapp.io. Once you're there, you'll see a button that says Get Swash. Click that and it will take you to the Chrome Web Store. From here, you'll want to click Add to Chrome. This installs the Swash app browser extension to your Google Chrome. Step 2. Once the extension is added, you'll be taken to a page that asks if you're new to Swash. Click Yes, I am new. You'll then be prompted to create a wallet, which is where your earnings will be stored. After agreeing to their privacy policy, just follow the on-screen instructions to set up your wallet. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Step 3. Next, Swash will ask you to verify your email. Make sure to enter a valid email address because they'll send a verification code to it. Once you receive the code, just enter it and boom, you're in. Step 4. Now all that's left is to complete your profile by verifying your phone number and adding a few personal details like your age and gender. This is important because it helps match you with ads that are most relevant to you, which can boost your earnings. The Swash app is constantly rolling out updates to improve the user experience. They're regularly adding new features that not only increase your earning potential, but also make it easier to track your progress. For example, the latest update includes a detailed earnings dashboard that allows you to see exactly how much you've made from each ad, survey, or referral. This kind of transparency helps you stay motivated and gives you a clear idea of how much you can potentially earn in the long run. Step 4, how to maximize your earnings. Now that your Swash account is set up, the first thing you'll want to do is go into your Swash profile and enable all 3 ad options. This ensures that you see the most ads possible, meaning more money for you. Remember, you don't need to click on the ads, you'll earn just by seeing them pop up while you browse. But that's not all. Swash app also has other ways to earn. You can complete surveys, install apps, or even refer friends and family to the platform. For every friend you refer, you get a bonus, and they start earning too. It's a win-win. Bonus tip, Swash is also developing a mobile app, which means soon you'll be able to earn money from your phone as well. This opens up even more opportunities to earn while you're on the go. Another pro tip to maximize your earnings is to make sure you keep your Swash app active on as many devices as possible. If you're using multiple devices throughout the day, like a laptop, a desktop, and even a tablet, try installing the Swash app on all of them. This way, you can maximize the number of ads you see and increase your earnings even more. The app works seamlessly across multiple devices as long as you're logged in, making it easier for you to earn consistently regardless of where or how you're browsing. Step 5, how you get paid. Now let's talk about the best part, how you actually get paid. Once you start earning, Swash gives you several different options to withdraw your money. You can choose from PayPal, Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, or even cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If none of those work for you, don't worry. You can also withdraw your money straight into your bank account using a Visa debit card. Swash even allows you to withdraw small amounts. Whether you've earned just $2 or $200, you can cash out whenever you want. And trust me, watching a few ads here and there really adds up over time. You're probably wondering, does this actually work? Well, let me show you some proof. Show screenshots of your own Swash app earnings or similar examples. As you can see, in just a few hours of browsing, I've earned $33. It's real, and you can start earning today. I can even withdraw this money right now to my bank account or PayPal. If you'd like to see a live withdrawal proof video, drop a comment below with the words Swash app withdrawal proof, and I'll show you the entire process in one of my upcoming videos. So there you have it. That's how you can earn money by simply watching Google Ads using Swash app. It's free, it's easy, and it's available to almost everyone around the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future money-making tips. Also, let me know in the comments which country you're watching from, and I'll make sure to create more videos that are relevant to you. Until next time, happy earning.